Are you an implementer, integrator, or chief operating officer tasked with managing your company's business management system? If the answer is yes, then this message is for you. Hello, I'm Noble Woods, founder of Eve Pacific Media. We're at the cutting edge of marrying AI technology with business management frameworks to redefine operational excellence for the digital age. At Eve Pacific Media, we understand the critical importance of robust operating systems in driving business growth and efficiency. Our objective is not to replace the invaluable human element at the core of your operations, but to augment it with AI-driven solutions. By automating mundane tasks, our AI solutions let your team focus on strategic initiatives that drive growth and foster deeper client relationships. Our journey begins with a detailed examination of your business operations. We delve into your sales processes, client management strategies, and how your teams collaborate within your operational model. Our goal is to craft AI tools that mesh perfectly with your existing setup, pushing your operational gears to run smoother and faster. Imagine a world where your dissimilar software ecosystems communicate seamlessly, or an AI assistant that instantly retrieves SOPs with a simple voice command and guides your team members step by step through new or unfamiliar processes. Visualize a transformation in efficiency and profitability when your sales funnel is optimized by AI, directing your focus toward the most promising leads. Eve Pacific Media is your gateway to turning these visions into your operational reality. Are you ready to level up your business operations with AI? If so, schedule a complimentary discovery call today and explore how Eve Pacific Media automation solutions can enhance your operations. We're not just adapting to the future, we're defining it. Thank you for considering Eve Pacific Media. Let's embark on this transformative journey together and discover the new heights your business can achieve.